Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious KitKat shake at home. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 4 to 5 KitKat bars, 1 cup of cold milk, and 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, such as vanilla or chocolate. Also, make sure you have a sturdy blender, measuring cups, and serving glasses ready for this delightful treat. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the KitKat bars. Take about 4 to 5 standard-sized bars and break them into smaller, manageable pieces. This will help them blend smoothly. Remember to set aside a few whole or larger pieces. These will be perfect for garnishing your finished shake. You can even crush some extra pieces for a delightful textural element. It's time for the magic to happen in the blender. Carefully add 1 cup of cold milk, followed by 2 generous cups of your chosen ice cream. Next, toss in all those delicious KitKat pieces you prepared. For an extra touch of sweetness, you can include 1 tablespoon of sugar or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. Blend everything until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy, which usually takes about 30 seconds. Your amazing KitKat shake is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into 2 tall, chilled glasses. For a truly indulgent experience, top each shake with a generous swirl of whipped cream. Then, artfully arrange the KitKat pieces you reserved earlier on top. A final drizzle of chocolate syrup will add that perfect, decadent finish. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.